Hi everyone, how do we solve this equation? This left hand side could be written as x plus 7 all squared times 2 equal to 81 could be written as 9 squared. This means that x plus 7 all squared times 2 minus 9 squared is equal to 0. Now, recall that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Applying this identity to this guy, we simply have x plus 7 all squared plus 9 in brackets times x plus 7 all squared minus 9 equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This means that if you expand x plus 7 all squared very well, you're gonna have x squared plus 14x plus 49 plus 9 close the brackets into expanding this also very well, we have the same thing, x squared plus 14x plus 49 minus 9 everything equal to 0. This means that x squared plus 14x 49 plus 9, that is plus 58 into x squared plus 14x plus 49 minus 9, that is 40, equal to 0. This means that x squared plus 14x plus 58 is equal to 0, or x squared plus 14x plus 40 is equal to 0. Let's solve each of these quadratic equation one by one. Considering this guy first, we can solve it using quadratic formula, which is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 times a times c, everything divided by 2 times a. This is plus. From this equation, a is equals to 1, b is 14, c is equals to 58. So let us substitute all these values here. X equal to minus, what is b? B is 14. 14 plus or minus square root of b square, that will be 14 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 58. Everything divided by 2 into 1. X is equal to minus 14 plus or minus square root of 14 square, that is 14 times 14, we have 196 minus 4 times 1 times 58, that is 232. Everything divided by 2 times 1, that is simply 2. X is equal to minus 14 plus or minus square root of 196 minus 232, that is negative 36, divided by 2. X is equal to minus 14 plus or minus, I can rewrite this as square root of 36 times square root of negative 1 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 14 plus or minus, what is square root of 36? That is simply 6. And don't forget, from the complex number, we know that square root of negative 1 is equals to I. So we have I here divided by 2. X equal to, it is possible I can pull out 2 from this numerator. So that will be 2 into minus 7 plus or minus 3I divided by 2. X is equal to, clearly 2 cancels 2, we are left with minus 7 plus or minus 3I. This implies that, considering the positive sign, x is equals to minus 7 plus 3I. This is one solution. And also, if we consider the negative sign, we have x to be equal to minus 7 minus 3I. This is another solution. Now, let us solve the other quadratic equation, x squared plus 14x plus 40. You will see that this equation is factorizable. 10 plus 4, that is 14. 10 times 4, 40. So let us factorize it. X squared plus 14x could be written as 10x plus 4x plus 40 equal to 0. This is 0. This is 4. And plus. From these two guys, I can factor out x. So that will be x into x plus 10 plus, from these two guys also, I can factor out 4. So that will be 4 into x plus 10 equal to 0. Let's separate this. This means that x plus 10 is common. Factor it out. We have x plus 10 into x plus 4 equal to 0. This means that x plus 10 is equal to 0, or x plus 4 is equal to 0. Clearly, x is equal to negative 10. This is another solution. Or x is equal to what? That is negative 4. This is another solution. That means all the solutions that we have for these equations are, the first one, let's start from the real solution. We have x equals to minus 10. We also have x equal to minus 4. And this is another set of solutions. X equal to minus 7 plus 3I. And x equal to minus 7 minus 3I. All these four solutions satisfy the original equation. Let us call this x1, this x2, this x3, and x4. That's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching.